Welcome back. So far, we've focused on inheriting methods. However, inheritance also extends to data. A child class inherits both instance variables and static fields from its parent class, allowing objects to share and reuse data definitions. 1. Inheriting static fields. Our parent class, vehicle, defines a static field, will_count equals 4. Since static fields belong to the class definition itself, any subclass, like truck, automatically inherits them. The truck class does not need to redefine this shared data. 2. Accessing inherited static fields. When we create a truck object, we can access the will_count directly from the object or the truck class name. Python traverses the hierarchy, finds the field in vehicle, and returns the value. 3. Inheriting instance variables. Instance variables like name in the animal parent class are initialized inside the parent's constructor. When a child class, like cat, defines its own constructor, it overrides the parent's constructor. This means the parent's constructor is no longer called automatically, and the instance variable name is never initialized. We will fix this initialization issue in the next section using the super keyword. To summarize, inheritance is more than just methods. It includes data. However, for instance variables, we face a conflict when the child defines its own constructor. Method overriding allows a child class to provide a specific implementation for a method that is already provided by its parent class. Join me in Lecture 18.04, Overriding. See you there.